So that's the website. And when you complete your website, your ePortfolio, and you publish it to the web, this is the web link that you'll submit. All right. So this is the home page. And so let's take a minute to look at the different parts of Weebly. On the Build tab, which is what is currently selected, you will see a list of tools, of items that you can pull over into your course. Title, text, image, slideshows, and so on. So these are the buttons that you will use to actually create your content or to upload your content. Then you've got pages. This is where you will go to create new pages. If for whatever reason you want to create a new theme or you change your themes, you can click on theme. You don't really need to go to the store. You really don't need to go to apps, although you can go to them and check them out if you want. This will tell you what your website will look like on desktop devices and what it will look like on mobile devices. So let's go back to Build real quick. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is click here, and I'm going to change the title and say Welcome to Inland's ePortfolio. There we go. And the default buttons across the top are Home, About, and Contact. So those pages already exist here. But we are going to change we are not going to use this About page. We are going to delete it. Because it is a blog page and we really don't need a blog page at this point. So I'm going to click on the About page, go to Pages, and click on About. And I'm going to click Delete. So let's go back real quick. Oops, I accidentally knocked us out. Let's go back in there. Sorry about that. Click on the About page, go to Pages, click on the About, and delete. All right, yes, I am sure. So now I just have the Home and Contact page. So now let's practice creating a page. So we're going to, notice we're still under Pages. So what we're going to do now is click on the plus sign next to the page and select Standard Page. Add a new standard page. And give it your name, which is About Me. And you can choose, this is the header. You can choose to keep it and change the picture, or you can click No Header. I'm going to click No Header, and so that gives me a blank working space. Okay. Oh, why is it doing that? Let's change it then. There we go. That looks better. Okay, so I have my About Me page set up. So I'm going to click on Done. And now I'm going to grab this About Me navigation link. I'm going to pull it up and let it go. And so I've rearranged the About Me. So it goes Home, About Me, and Contact rather than Home, Contact, and then About Me. So let's go ahead and create some of our other pages since we're here. So click on this plus sign, select standard page, and put either resume or my resume. Header, no header, and click done. And grab resume, pull it up here, and it changed. Okay. And let's create another one, standard page, philosophy of practice, and no header. And again, if you want to keep the header, you can. Just make sure you change the picture and click done once we're done. And then we're going to grab philosophy of practice and pull it up here. And we're not going to create the competencies just yet. So let's click on the home page. So it takes us back to the home page, and let's click on the build button. So now what we're going to do with this first image is we are going to upload an image of yourself. Now when you're uploading an image, make sure it is a professional image. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to upload an image to show you how to do it. So what I did is all I did, scroll over and click on it with your mouse, click replace image, and click upload a photo from your computer. So I'm a Transformers fan, so I'm going to upload an image of Optimus Prime as my avatar. I don't like that one. I'm going to use a different one. There we go. This is a better one. There we go. So now I'm going to click on it again and scroll down and click caption and type in about me. Click on this back arrow and click on the arrow next to link. Click standard page and then about me. Click the back arrow and then click out, and you're done. You've now created a graphic and a link here to your about me page. Now if you try to click on this link, it won't work. It will not work until it's published here. So don't worry about that. Next, I'm going to click on this. Actually, hold on. Before we go further, you're going to need to find some free stock images, and a couple of websites you can go to are Pexels, PEXELS.com, or Pixabay. So these are two places where you can go to get free images, or you can take images of items that you have around the house that you have, or any of your own pictures that you own. You can use those as well. So I'm going to look up resume. Okay, let's see. Not crazy about that. Let's see what's here. Resume. Okay, these look better. All right. I like this one. So I'll click on it and download it. Okay. And click here, replace image, upload from your computer, and it's in my downloads because I clicked on download, and let's see if I can find it. Here it is. and open. And resume's there. And so now click on it again and click on the caption button and put resume. And let's go back. Now we're going to add the link. And click out, and now we're done. And we're going to stop here for part 1, and then we'll pick it up again in part 2.